Hello and welcome. In this lesson, you will learn useful English sentences for daily life. Speak slowly and repeat after the speaker. Lesson 1, Greetings and Small Talk. Hello. Hi there. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you today? I am doing well, thank you. I am fine. I feel great today. Not bad, thank you. Nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. How is your day going? My day is going well. Lesson 2, Introducing yourself. My name is Sarah. I am Ahmed. I come from London. I live in a big city. I am a student. I work in an office. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? I am 20 years old. I like learning English. I enjoy watching movies. Lesson 3, Daily Activities. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I go to work. I go to school. I start my day at 9. I finish work at 5. I have lunch at noon. I drink coffee in the afternoon. I relax in the evening. I watch TV at night. I go to bed late. Lesson 4, Asking for help. Can you help me? Could you help me, please? I need some help. Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly. I don't understand. What does this mean? How do you say this in English? Can you explain this? Lesson 5, At a restaurant. I would like to order. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I would like chicken and rice. I will have a sandwich. Can I get some water? Is this spicy? Can I have the bill, please? Thank you very much. Lesson 6, Simple Conversations. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am doing great. What are you doing today? I am going to work. That sounds good. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee. No, I prefer tea. Lesson 7, Everyday Expressions. Excuse me. I am sorry. No problem. That's okay. Of course. Sure. Maybe later. I don't think so. That's a good idea. Let's do it. Final practice. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am from London. I wake up early every day. I go to work in the morning. I drink coffee in the afternoon. In the evening, I relax and watch TV. Nice to meet you. Practice this lesson every day. Speak clearly and confidently. See you in the next lesson.